How to update Blockbast app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update Blockbast application. If you want to use the new version of your Blockbast application, then you can simply update it in your Google Play Store. If you are using an iOS device, then you can go to any app store of your device. Here, first of all, open your Google Play Store of your device and make sure you are logged into your account. In this page, here at the bottom right, tap on the search icon and then in this page, tap on the search bar and there type in the name Blockbast. Now, tap on the search icon of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be able to see the search results below. Here, find and select the authentic Blockbast application. Simply tap on the app icon and you will be taken to this page. Here, if an update is available, you will see the update button in this interface. Simply tap on it to start the update process. And once it completes, tap on the open button in order to open the application. Also, if you didn't see the update button or if it says play, then that means you are already using the latest version. You can simply tap on the play and then go and play the latest version of Blockbast application. Here as you can see, the update button is not available, which means the application has already been up to date. So by following these steps, you should be able to update or ensure that your Blockbast application is up to date. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.